Welcome back. In this video, we'll look at how to insert or delete a cell, row and a column. Let's try to delete cell C7. Select C7 and then go to delete command in home tab and select delete cells. You can see 4 options: shift cell left, shift cells up, entire row and entire column. Select shift cell left and click OK. You can see that the number of cells to the right of C7 has shifted to 1 cell left. Now undo it. Press Ctrl Z. Again delete cells and select second option, shift cells up and here and click OK. Now undo it. Press Ctrl Z. Again go to the delete option in the home tab and press delete cells. This time select shift cells up and press OK. Here you can see that the values of the same column has moved 1 cell up. Again undo it. Press Ctrl Z. Now move to delete option again. Select delete cells and this time select entire row. Click OK. This will delete the entire row. If we want to delete the column, simply select the option entire column by selecting delete cells and then clicking OK. You don't need to move to delete option again and again. This can be done using keyboard shortcut, which is Ctrl-. Now press Ctrl-. Now you can see that the same options have appeared again. Now in order to delete entire row or column, first select entire row or column by pressing index of respective row and respective column. This selection can also be done using keyboard shortcuts. For rows it is shift plus spacebar and for column it is control plus spacebar. The column has been selected. Press Ctrl- to delete it. This is how we delete an entire column using keyboard shortcut. Some error message has appeared now. The reason being we have deleted the linked content. Simply press Ctrl Z. So Ctrl Z can be proved to be very helpful quite a times while working on Excel. Whenever we try to delete multiple columns, the first step should be to select all the columns that we wish to delete. Here I want to delete columns from B to E. First select column B and by holding the shift key press right arrow key towards the column E. Now we have selected the columns from B to E. To delete these columns simply press Ctrl-. Oops. Again we have done the same thing. The content, the numbers which were linked to the column C has been deleted. That's why Excel has given me this error message. Now we can again use Ctrl Z to bring them back. Similar steps can be done to delete multiple rows. Let's move and learn. Suppose we need to insert cell at C7. Let's select the C7 position. To do this, select E7 that we have already done and go to insert command. Similar to the process of deleting cells, rows and columns, inserting them is also easy. Suppose we need to insert cell at E7. Now let's find E7 position. Yes, here it is. To do this, go to insert command of home tab, select insert cells. Now we have got an option. This feature can also be done using a keyboard shortcut of Ctrl, Shift and plus. It will also give you the same options. You can see a dialog box with 4 options. This time they are shift cells right, shift cells down, entire row and entire column. If I select right, it will shift the content to the right of E7. Press Ctrl Z to undo it. Again go to insert and click insert cells. This time if I select down, it will shift the content downwards of E7. Again press Ctrl Z to undo. Go to insert, click insert cells. This time if I select entire row, it will insert an entire row. And the same procedure will be done with the column as well. In the case of column, it will insert a new column. Let's do it once again. Select entire column, click OK. Now we have seen that this option has entered a new column. In the next video, we'll look at how to hide or unhide rows and columns.